Hi, dolls. So this confession is going to be a little bit different because it's going to be about what this video was actually supposed to be about. So this was going to be a longer video. I was testing out TikTok 10-minute videos and like I tried it 4 times. So that's 40 minutes of content and I lost it all. Like it's all gone. It's so sad. So hopefully this 3-minute video works out. So this video was gonna be about unboxing a blind bag surprise toys. So I don't know if y'all know that about me. I collect more than just dolls. I collect other toys as well. So like anything cute and like these are Disney blind bags. So like Disney is near and dear to my heart. And these are the Disney mini brands store Disney Store Series 2. So I got like a big giant box because I found them on clearance at Target for half off and I'm like or like 70% off and I'm like I have to get as many as I can. So at other stores they're not on sale so I'm like, "Oh, my Bobbie can, miss out on this." So 60 plus options. So spoiler alert, I opened all 20 of them. And unfortunately, I didn't get all of them. So there's 5 little mini things in each one. So 5 times 20, that's like 100 little mini figures. And so I didn't even get like all of them. It's so sad. Okay, so let me drop my little cheat sheet. So let's go back to the cheat sheet. Okay, so this is not the one where I wrote down all my notes. So the one with my notes is over here. Alrighty. So you can get ultra rare ones. There's like 5 of those, but we'll say those for last. So we're just gonna go over it really quickly. So I got so many things. Let's just go over my favorite ones. Minis basket. It's like a picnic basket for the kids. There's this Toy Story claw thing. I didn't even know they made that toy. There's a toy for the kids that put on their spider gloves and have Spider-Man. This cute luggage for kids in mini form. So I guess like all these toys look like they can go with dolls, but this one's a little smaller, so I think it will go with like a Chelsea doll, Rapunzel's guitar, Tiana doll. I got the shelving, so this is only one little shelf, but it comes with like 5 shelves. So I got the round and the square, which I love because I love displaying things. Moana. So some cars. I did not get Lightning McQueen. I did not get the Ariel doll or the Jasmine doll, my favorites. There's Tinkerbell. So I got Tinkerbell and Peter Pan. He's smaller than Tinkerbell because he's